how to install the single panel wood shutter. Follow these simple steps and you'll have it installed in no time. To start, you'll receive a large package like this, which includes the shutter frame, the panel, and all the accessories needed for installation. Here are the tools needed for installation. Make sure to prepare them in advance. Okay, let's get started. As you can see, the frame and panels come pre-assembled. After that, check that all pre-drilled holes on the shutter frame are fully drilled through. Before securing the shutters to the window, simply rotate the frame to set the final opening direction of the panels. Once the direction is set, reinsert the hinge pin from the top down. Then, place the frame inside the window recess. You'll notice the frame can shift slightly within the recess. Once the centered position has been confirmed, secure the top left and top right corners with screws. Good job! Your shutter frame is now temporarily secured in place. Go back and fasten the screws in the remaining pre-drilled holes along the shutter frame. Important: tighten the screws in a diagonal sequence first, then secure the screws along both sides of the frame. For a seamless finish, you can use small caps to cover the screw holes on the frame. Easy as this. Awesome! Your single panel wood shutter is now all set. Everyone will be amazed. You did it yourself.